Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the Mechanical Engineering Board exam. First, create a detailed study plan. Break down the exam content into manageable sections and assign dedicated time slots for each. Focus on understanding core principles and solving practice problems consistently. This structured approach helps you cover all necessary material without feeling overwhelmed, ensuring you build a solid foundation for success. To master the exam content, actively engage with the material. Don't just read, solve problems. Work through as many practice questions as possible, especially those from previous exams. Explain concepts to others in a study group to solidify your understanding. Also, condense your notes into quick reference sheets for formulas and critical information. This active learning approach significantly boosts retention. As exam day approaches, focus on readiness. Practice under timed conditions to build stamina and manage your pace. The night before, prioritize a good night's sleep. It's crucial for clear thinking. On exam day, arrive early, locate your testing room, and settle in without stress. Remember to stay calm and confident. A positive mindset can make a significant difference in your performance. After the exam, take time to reflect on your experience. Regardless of the results, acknowledge the hard work and dedication you invested. If needed, analyze your performance to understand where you can improve for future endeavors. Remember, passing this exam is a significant milestone, but continuous learning and professional development are key to a successful and fulfilling mechanical engineering career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.